Hello and welcome, and thank you very much for joining me in the studio. As you can see behind me, we've done a fantastic painting on Monday. I hope you enjoyed that one. If you haven't seen it, then click the iCards but there. Don't forget to give me a like, a comment, share and subscribe my videos. Subscription is absolutely free. It does not cost you a thing. Don't worry about it. It's free. All it does is push me up the ranks of YouTube. So please support me there. That's all I ask. So today's quick tip, I was thinking, I've asked this question so many times in the past. So many. And I have made videos on it. They're going to be in the description there. But very quickly, when you buy a canvas, there we go. So I popped out and bought one of these quick, cheap canvases. This is only a few pound actually. It's not a lot of money. And some of these canvases come with these little things in there, as you can see. They are called keys. So what we need to do is get those keys out very carefully. And I'm going to show you on a smaller canvas very quickly. There we are. Now, they don't always come. A lot of these canvases don't always come with them. Basically, what they are is they go in these little slots. You could see these little slots there. They go into those little slots, and they push the frame apart, which makes the canvas very taut and you know, good for painting on. And they are to remain in place after painting. So they're only removed normally for cleaning and restoration. In obviously in oil paintings, the old days. You see a lot of the really good expensive canvases. They use these things called keys, and they basically go in there, and another one goes in there, and the video the video up there will explain all this in detail. They put in all four corners, and then you need to get a little hammer or something like that and knock that into place there, knock that into place there, knock your paintbrushes everywhere, which I've just tidied up really. Basically that expands the canvas and makes it nice and taut, ready for painting. So that's what they are there for. And as I said, they do remain in place. Now, they're not really essential for acrylics. Acrylics, when acrylics dry, they tend to pull the fibers of the canvas together, because acrylic is a plastic base. It does shrink actually. Acrylic does shrink, so it does tighten up your canvas. But if you're looking for something to tighten up your canvas, and you've got one of these canvases with these keys, and put them in place, it's better to have them than not need them, than need them not have them. That's what I say. So yeah, basically that's the tip. So I'm not going to go talk any more about that. It's a quick video, but that explains that one. That's a comment from one of the subscribers. So if you leave a comment, I'll answer them in these sessions. So if you've got any questions, don't forget to ask me. I will read 99% of the comments, but I can't always guarantee that I will respond to them in text, or I'll make videos. But if I think they're worthy of a video, then I will make them. So yeah, so check the iCards out. There's links coming across as I talk in. Click on those. That's going to take you into more depth about keys in canvases. So until next time, thank you very much for watching the old Welshman waffle in Wales. Bye bye.